To enable and use Circle to Search in Google Pixel 11, first of all, you will need to open Settings on your device. Next step is to enter the system settings right here, and then you can scroll down until you find Circle to Search. Activate it with this switch, and then to use it, you can click and hold the circle button at the bottom. That way you will call out Circle to Search, and then you can use it in multiple different ways. First thing that you can do is select the text. Now normally in the settings we wouldn't be able to copy a text, but in this case with Circle to Search we can easily copy any text on the screen. You can also translate that text with the translate button, or translate entire page using this button right here. It will detect the language that is on the screen, and then you'll be able to translate into whichever language you want, and just select it right there. Next thing is music detection. If there's any app playing music in the background, then it will be able to detect the music title that is playing in the background. And lastly, you can click right here, and that way perform the Google image search with your entire screen, and then ask about what's on the screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.